girl, how are you? Great. So today I want to show you some of my favorites, things I've been loving lately, and things that it's like, hey, warmer weather's coming up, you need these in your life. These are my favorites. First up, I got some deodorant for us, girl. This is from the brand Nez, and I am obsessed with these. For one obvious reason, the size. They're teeny, well, not teeny, but they're small, and I've got some travel coming up, I'm taking one of these. They're not gonna take up a lot of room, they're not awkward, you can slide them in like a side pocket in your pocketbook, or you know, just in your suitcase, whatever, your toiletry bag, and it's not taking up a big bulk of space. And also, Nez curates deodorants based on different circumstances. This is not sponsored, by the way. This is just, I feel like I have to explain these to you because there's a reason these are in the favorites. This one is called Date Ready. This one is called Board Meeting. And this one is called Workout Sesh. So, I didn't even know this, but when you sweat different sweats under different circumstances. So not all of your sweat's the same. I had no clue. So they've curated these to, oh my gosh, who's keeping count of how much I drop stuff? They've curated these to match the type of sweat that your body is secreting during those types of situations. So if you're working out, you choose Workout Sesh. If you're going on a date, you might be a little nervous, you choose the Date Ready. And, you know, board meeting, I don't know what, do you sweat, like boring sweat or something? I don't know. Stressed sweat, okay. I have been using these, I've been interchanging all three of these for about 2 weeks now. And just to be really transparent, I'm not like an excessive sweater. I'm just like a normal sweater, I guess. These, I don't sweat at all using these products, at all. It's honestly amazing, and no streaks. No streaks. No wonder why these are like #1 on the favorites list. I'm like so hyped that I found these. I found these on Flip. That's a makeup reviewing app. If you don't have it, get it and give me a follow. Be doing just what I do here, just in like a 1 minute time span. So, you know, quick reviews, speed reviews. These are definitely worth the hype. I love them. Nez, curated for your life and what you do. Next up, I figured I would mention this product while the Sephora VIB sale is going on strong. This is from House Labs, and this is her highlighter, the Bio Radiant Gel Powder Highlighter. This has a powder texture, but it goes on like the most luxurious cream you ever did see, okay? So this one is in the shade Pink Amethyst, and I'm getting another one from the sale. It's a little bit more of a champagne-y color, but look at how gorgeous this, I mean, loss of words. It is absolutely stunning. Now, for an up-close and personal look, this is what she looks like on. I cannot. It is so perfect. Normally, like day-to-day wear, I'll stack a bright highlighter, like a Natasha Denona or a Charlotte Tilbury highlighter, and then I'll pop this on just so I can get like a shade of pink. Today, I solely wore this one and this one only so you could see, and look at the packaging. Sorry, squirrel. But I just wore this one so that you can see it has a pink sheen to it, but it's soft enough so that it looks like just this gorgeous lit from within glow. Like, I can't with how pretty that is. And typically I don't do the pinks and the purple highlighters, but this, Miss Gaga, you got me on this one. It is so pretty. I have been wearing it like crazy. It's gorgeous. Everything will be linked down below though, just so you know. Also, with spring coming up, self-tanner, we love it. This is a drugstore tanner. I wanted to show you this because it's drugstore, it's inexpensive, and warmer weather, we need to be looking nice and tan, nice and glowy. So this is from Walmart, Tanned AF. You can also get it at Target, I believe, and probably like CVS and Walgreens. This, I got the darkest shade, and it's a 1 hour self-tan mousse. So I throw it all over my body. I don't hit my face with these. I only use self-tanner for the face if it tells me that product is for the face. I would like to spread that piece of advice with you and recommend that you do the same, but if you be you, girl. So this is one of those that you put it all over, then you wait an hour. I typically wait like an hour and a half, 2 hours. And then take a shower, and you're gonna take off the excess and everything. And then what's left is this gorgeous, I just got back from Cabo tan. This is the best drugstore self-tanner I have tried thus far. If you know of one better, please. Like, I love trying things out, so I'll be willing to sacrifice this one for like a week and give another one a try. But this one so far, affordable, beautiful glow, streak free. That's really what we look for in a self-tanner. Like, this is, if you're looking for one, I highly recommend Tanned AF. Next thing, now we're all tan and beautiful and ready to step out into the sun, but not if we're looking ashy. Okay, so this is from Osea, and if you have dry skin or you just want that glow without having to use a glowy lotion that has glitter or, you know, some type of sheen to it, just use these. They are a little bit pricey, but I'm telling you, the outcome, you will have the perfect summer look. Like, your legs will just be flawless. Everything, your arms, your shoulders, your décolletage, flawless. These are super, super moisturizing, super, super hydrating, all the while giving your body like the most sultry look without even trying. Like, you don't have the glitter and all that stuff. I will add some of this one. This is the just the body oil, and we'll just do some on my hands so you can see. It's not heavy and it's not sticky. It gives such a hydrated shine and healthy looking plumpness to the skin. I'm telling you, your skin just drinks it up. Everything looks healthy, shiny without the sheen of glitter and, you know, chunkiness of glitter. And it smells delicious. And then this one is also a moisturizer. It's just not going to be as oily, and it's also anti-aging. It's a body balm, so it's just as nourishing, but this one is like instant goddess, especially on top of that self-tanner. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Linked down below. Now for a little bit of makeup. Let's go in. Let me show you this. This is from Dibs, and I don't know if, I think it was one of those viral, everybody needs this, so I caved and I bought it, and then it took me forever to try it, and then I tried it, and now I'm like, it's mine. I love it. This is the 2-in-1 cream bronzer and brush stick. Bronzer and blush stick. Now, it does say that you can use this for more than just bronzing and blush, so it's like a multi-purpose. But the payoff, if you want that dewy, natural looking makeup look, you need to give this a try. So mine is in the shade, it's the number 3, and it's got Spill the Tea, which is the contour shade. I've been using this as a contour for me because it's a cooler shade on my skin tone. It's the most beautiful contour. Look at that. And it blends like a dream. I use my damp beauty blender and just push it in, and it melts like butter into that skin. It is so pretty. Like, the hype is real. The ease of use and the payoff on this product, oh my gosh. And I tell you, let's go in with this blush right here. This is called Full Deets, and it looks like that. It kind of reminds me of the Rare Beauty blush that I have. And let's just, I don't have any blush on right now, so let's do it. See that color? That is gorgeous. So pretty. And then you'll just take a beauty blender. This is the one I used earlier to do my makeup, so. It's that perfect poppy pink. It is stunning. Perfect for that light, refreshing. I woke up like this, and I'm so happy to be outside. If you want that makeup look, you need this. Now this product, it was love at first sight. I knew I was gonna love it as soon as I saw it, hit add to cart. I knew a beautiful bond was made. So this is a finger puff. And it is the best thing that I have bought as a makeup artist, as someone who does their makeup on the daily. This is the best purchase I've ever made. It's from Temu. I will link it down below. And obviously, I got like 5 of them, 5 backups. It's perfect. I know these went viral for a while. I'm sure they're still really popular, whatever. But this, no. This is way better, okay? You can be so precise in your powder application. It's unreal. So for me, typically on a day-to-day basis when I do powder, I like to set my under eye, and I also like to set around my nose and my upper lip, which is where I'm most porous, where I'm gonna secrete the most oils and sweat even. So the rest of my face, I like to have a glow, a dew, a shine. Using this product enables me to just slightly dip in my powder and take the edge and literally just tap exactly where I want to place the product and nowhere else. This is the best thing since sliced bread. Linked below. Not the bread, the finger puff. Now let me talk to you about some mascara. This is from Heeeyyy Cosmetics. They did send this to me, and this is not sponsored or anything, but I do feel like they deserve some love on this mascara. So this is called the mascara, and literally the young lady that was emailing me telling me, ma'am, we hope this becomes your everyday mascara. We're pretty confident that it will. I'm telling you, I was like, that's a pretty bold claim, sister, but I'm willing to try. She was right. Wow. First of all, I have got to say I am obsessed with the formula. It is not super wet. And when I say a mascara is super wet, I mean that you apply it and then you open your eyes and blink and you have a whole row of mascara on the hood of your eye because it's that wet. It just, you have to like sit like this to let it dry. Now that I have tried multiple mascaras and I've been doing this for years now, yeah, I don't have time for a wet mascara formula. This is perfect. It's got the just right amount of thickness to apply and it dries quickly. The volume and the length of lashes that you can achieve with this product. Let me show you the spoolie. I also enjoy it because this is just a good old classic spoolie. It's not, you know, really weirdly shaped. You know, I love Fenty and I love Urban Decay, but sometimes like they both of them have mascaras that it's like, how do I even, you know, like what are we doing? This classic mascara wand with the right formula is all we need, and they've done it. If you have hooded eyes, I would anybody I would highly recommend it to, but the hooded eyes, girl, if that's you, you need to buy this. There's no transfer throughout the day. It is not a wet formula. You can just put it on and smile right on out the door. Please give this a try. Not sponsored. Okay, gorgeous. So that is a solid roundup of just a few of some of the things I've been loving and just dying to like sit down and talk with you about. Things that if you were to ask me, hey, should I get this? Absolutely, yes, you should. Enough said. Okay. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. You don't know what that means to me. You guys are absolutely my rock stars, and I will be seeing you in the next video. Bye.